Hello, friend. I am Professor Kapoor, astrologer Kapoor from New Delhi, India. I am Vedic astrologer, palm reader, numerologist, psychic reader. I'm working as a life coach since 30 years, and I am also healer. And friend, you know, our Indian astrology, Vedic astrology, based on moon planet. And your Western astrology, your sun sign based on sun planet. And sun transit one house after 1 month. But our Indian astrology transit based on moon planet and moon transit every house after 2 days and 6 hours. And moon is very near to us. It influences our mind and hearts together. You will see in 1 month, lakhs and lakhs people are born. So, through sun sign, you cannot make accurate and precise predictions. So, if you, but our in Vedic astrology, Indian astrology is more accurate and more precise than your Western sun sign. Because our every ascendant changed after 2 hours and 15 minutes. You can imagine in 24 hours, 12 ascendant changed. Beside this, we have a Mahadasha, mean period of the planet, sub period of the planet, Mahadasha, main periods, then sub period in the sub period. Because our Indian astrology is a very vast and very deep studies. It's a spiritual science. Every day new research are coming. You can see that there is a yoga in our horoscope, like Raj Yoga, Gajkesri Yoga, Lakshmi Yoga, Bhikshuk Yoga, Rin Yoga. So there is more than 2000 types of yogas in Indian astrology. When they comes in conjunction and when Mahadasha or main period of these planets is running, that bring change your lives. Your all dream becomes true during these periods. So friends, it is I would like to inform you today. Now I set up my YouTube channels on the name of Diksha Astro Kapoor channel, and every month I am upload my new videos according to the transit of the positions of different signs, different ascendant and different moon signs. So you know that 2021 is going to start after few weeks, and what it is, it will bring in your lives. Either it is a health point of view, either a career point of view, otherwise finance point of view, either one profession, career, business point of view, either good luck point of view, either relationship point of view, either your property convince happiness point of view, either your children point of view, either your education point of view, either your gains point of view. So now I'm going to upload my forecast for different signs soon. So, friends, you can subscribe, like, share, and you can push the bell. That's why my all new videos regarding forecast of New Year's 2021 for different sign, and you can visit and you can enjoy, because astrology is a guidelines. If you have good time, take risks. If you have a bad time, take precautions. So it will be very helpful for you. It will be helpful for you in every sphere of your lives. So, friends, so you can subscribe my channels, get the benefits of these videos, with these forecast, these predictions. It helps you a lot in your different sphere of lives. And or if you want to consult, because I am also providing my services online, live, and personally. Because in your, it is very hard to come to India nowadays, you know, because of because of coronas. So I think if you want, you can consult online, and you can come on live. And when you go in my YouTube description box, you will find my all details about my WhatsApp, about my email, about my website, about Instagrams. And so if anybody interested, they can comment in comment box. Then we will decide to come on lives, because consultation is available for all the problems of different sphere of your lives. So thank you. That is this video I released because of my uh, because I would like to inform you that I am going to start my YouTube channel, Diksha Astro Kapoor YouTube channels. But now I upload my videos in English as well. Before I already uploaded in Hindi version, so now I'm going to upload in English. So friends, you subscribe my channels and like my channels and share my channels to your friends, because your friends take the benefit of these opportunities. And I pray to God, because the, and I give you best wishes before in advance. 2021 bring happiness, prosperity, wealth in your lives. But I assure you one thing, this year will be 70% better than 2020. So be confident. This year bring you a lot of good results, good opportunity in your lives, and you can enjoy. Thank you, friends. Hope you will subscribe my channel and take the benefit of these opportunities. I'm waiting for you. Just I'm going to upload this video today, and today is day is 8th of December 2020. So in advance, best wishes for 2021. Thank you, friends. Namaste.